So, good news on the Nvidia 3080 cards. Nvidia is actually going to be manually doing an investigation on who will be able to buy these purchases for the 3080 come this week. Now, obviously, the release date that just happened literally just recently, nobody got a chance to get the cards pretty much. I mean, everything was completely sold out. Well, Nvidia basically came out with a statement saying that, they're aware of, people using bots and, trying to get these cards, and everybody's pretty much fed up about the whole situation, right? So Nvidia said they're going to be manually doing reviews and make sure, there's actually legitimate owners trying to purchase the cards, except for, these bots and stuff. So that's good. I'm excited about that. I actually want to get a card for my build. Right now I'm running a 2070 Super, 1440p monitor, 21:9 ratio. It is ultra wide, HDR, 200 hertz. It's for real. That bad boy right there, that's for real. Now, I gotta get this card. I gotta get a 3080 or I gotta get a 3090. Now, I'm not gonna get a 3090 just because the 3090 is, it's pushing. You know what I mean? That's way above my budget. I mean, I don't have a budget technically. I can buy the card if I wanted to. But do I want to buy that card right now? I don't know. I don't even know if the card's going to be good enough for, compared to the 3080. Is it going to be a little bit good, or is it going to be better? I don't even know. I don't really feel like doing the statistics on it. Right now, 3080 is pretty good for me. I'm going to be able to run at high FPS. Not super high, but I need higher than 100 FPS. Like right now, I'm getting 100 FPS with high settings. You see what I'm saying? Like I need some good FPS. So I will be picking up the 3080. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, good news. Nvidia manually going through these purchases and making sure you are not a bot. Great news. I think every retail store should do this, when they start dropping new stuff. But yeah, pretty much it. Hopefully these bots don't kill it for us this next release date. And yeah, next week, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, comment below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.